Welcome to Smart India Robotics.
In this video, we can learn what is diode and its working. A diode is like a one-way street for electricity. Just like how cars can only travel in one direction on a one-way street, electricity can only flow in one direction through a diode. When electricity flows through a diode in the right direction, it can easily pass through and reach its destination. But if electricity tries to flow through a diode in the wrong direction, the diode blocks it and won't let it pass. His property of diodes makes them very useful in all kinds of electronic devices, like computers, phones, and televisions. They help make sure that electricity flows in the right direction, which helps these devices work correctly. LED is also a diode. It is a light-emitting diode. The line upon the diode is the barrier, an indication of cathode. Only through anode to cathode the current will flow. We can connect 4 diodes to the breadboard, 2 in same direction and 2 in opposite direction. Now we can connect 4 LED to the breadboard. See the connections carefully. The LED is also a diode. It also allows current through anode to cathode. Anode of the first LED is connected to the cathode of the diode. Anode of the second LED is connected to the anode of the diode. Cathode of the third LED is connected to the cathode of the diode. Cathode of the fourth LED is connected to the anode of the fourth diode. Make sure the LED terminals and diode terminals are connected correctly. Now take the 3-volt battery holder with battery. Connect 2 male-to-male jumper wires to the battery. The white jumper wire is connected to the positive terminal. The black jumper wire is connected to the negative terminal. Now connect the positive terminal of the battery to the anode of the diode and negative to the cathode of the LED. The LED will glow because the current flow from positive of the battery through anode of the diode to the cathode of the LED and reaches the negative terminal of the battery. In the second one, the positive current will be blocked by the barrier on the cathode of the diode, so the LED will not glow. In the third one, the diode will allow the positive current through the anode, but the LED cathode will block the current, so the LED will not glow. In the fourth LED, the positive current is blocked by the cathode of the diode, so the LED will not glow. Now we can see the another connection. In this, the positive current will flow through the LED anode and flows through cathode of the LED to anode of diode and reaches the battery negative through cathode. The connection is completed. For robotics courses and materials, contact us.